Darren eating balut.
Just close your eyes.
Just close your eyes. Darren, you're gonna
You're gonna eat the chick?
you have to eat it. Look,
Yeah, that's okay. Just
look at that.
Oh shit.
Wait, let me see the zoom. It's a real baby. You have to eat it. Just close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Like I was saying.
Wait, I'll show you how to eat it.
Here, this is how you eat it.
Di sa kabalo usaw pa tao. Okay, skin. Darn. You have to get all the shell. All the shell.
Like this, like this.
Look, look, look.
You have to eat only what is inside, not the shell.
Darren, you have to eat it. Look at this.
I think this is smaller.
Darren, you're gonna...
This one. This much smaller.
The shell. The inside only.
You can put salt in it. Wait.
What is your reaction? Are you scared right now?
Yes.
You said so.
When you eat it, just swallow it. Swallow that. Don't chew. Yeah, don't chew.
It's like a vodka. You just do it and then don't think about it.
Okay. You can bite the yellow. It's yummy.
He's gonna suka after.
Yeah.
Oh
my god. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
One.
Like this. Don't eat.
Don't eat the white one, it's hard.
Okay, Darren, go. Hurry.
Bite only the bite half of the yellow. Right now?
Yeah,
Half of the yellow. Also the chick. Together with the chick.
Go, Darren. Darren, you have to chew it. Fear factor. Hurry, chew. Swallow.
Wait. Instead of bite the yellow half only. Like this, huh? Darren. Then you can swallow the chick.
And then you can swallow.
Oh my god.
Open your mouth.
Fear factor.
Fear factor.